2022 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 64,000 miles on the odometer, this minivan delivers safety and comfort to its passengers. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Get a fast and easy price quote today